Today I'm in the 4400 block of North Kedzie in the Albany Park neighborhood in a nice 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. Nice balcony, which is where we started. See on the far side, this is the living room. You can put the dining room table here. Here's bedroom number 2, which would easily hold a queen-size bed, no problem. This faces west, so you're going to get a ton of light. Nice big closet on the far side over there. Soft close kitchen cabinets. There's a dishwasher, of course. There's garbage disposal as well as an ice maker in the refrigerator or the freezer. This bedroom easily holds a king-size bed. Nice big walk-in closet. Room here for a dresser if you wanted to put it in here. There's the ensuite bathroom. Nice big vanity. Lots of storage on the far side as well as underneath. Nice stand-up shower. Here is that's the front door there, so we're walking down the hallway. You have this nice big closet as you walk in. Great for storing stuff. There's a mirror I'm going to try to stay out of. Nice tub and shower combination. Stone countertops in here also. A nice big mirror, modern lighting. Going back up further toward the front door. You got plenty of space here if you want to put a bench to put your shoes on. And then there is an in-unit laundry room. There's room above it to hang clothes if you wanted, and then nice additional storage over here beside the hot water heater.